All right, everybody, I'm here with Todd Gribble, and funny story about Todd Gribble has this beautiful 389 Peterbilt. I actually interviewed him at Carlisle and didn't have my mic on at all. So luckily I saw him out here in at Pittsburgh, well, I keep calling it Pittsburgh Power, the Victory Road truck show, and pretty excited when he pulled in. I said, yeah, I finally get my interview because this truck is beautiful. And that day at Carlisle, you won, what, 4 or 5 awards, right? I know you won Best in Show.
I won 5.
5?
Yep.
Yeah. Good deal.
Yep, best lights, best chrome, and moving out award, the owner's award, and best of show.
Great. We actually just we didn't know from that day. I hadn't seen the results, and we just saw them on the front page of Moving Out the newspaper, Moving Out newspaper. So yeah, it's great. But so tell me about this truck. It's what, a 2012?
2012 389 Peterbilt. It's a glider kit. Has a 550 cat in it.
The 6NZ or
6NZ.
6NZ cat?
It is 275 wheelbase when we bought it. We stretched it to 313. And all my custom work and all that is done by Keystone Wheel Polishing, which my father owns. And they've done it. They've done it all for me.
They have done a great job. Now, one of the things I asked you last time was, how long did it take you to polish it originally?
We have 2,200 hours in it.
That's what I thought, and I forgot what the number was. I didn't want to put the 2,200 hours initially, and then it takes.
It takes about 16 hours to do it now.
Wow, and you're on a scooter because you just had surgery, right? So.
Yep, I fell off my house roof in June 1st.
Oh boy, so I imagine it took you a long time to do this yesterday. You have a crew with you?
No, I have a crew.
You got a crew that worked on it? There you go.
Yep.
I don't think anybody has a show truck like this without a crew.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, and it does work on a regular basis?
Every day, yes.
Yeah? Works every day. How many miles are on it? About. I know you don't know exactly.
285.
Good deal. Good deal. Yeah, well, it's...
I haul frac sand for these gas wells.
Oh, frac sand. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pittsburgh, Ohio, West Virginia.
I knew it was some sort of sand. Well, I bet it turns a lot of heads going down the road, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
We were pretty interested today when you pulled in that you had all the chrome covered on it. All the chrome on the front of the truck was covered in plastic, and
that keeps the bugs off.
I guess you learned how to do this over time. So, yeah. How many years you been showing it?
4.
4 years?
Yep.
Good deal. So I imagine you're getting quite a few trophies racked up.
Yeah. But I showed with my dad for about 8 years. We showed his.
Is that right?
And we just did this one.
Oh man, it is a beautiful truck. What'd you say wheelbase? I know you said 317. 313. Good deal. So you're not going to Canada?
No.
Yeah,
no.
It's not looking good.
No, I didn't lose nothing in Canada.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Todd. I'm glad we got this interview again, and thanks for giving me another one. Like I said, if the mic's not on this time, he's probably not going to give me another one. So, hey, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too.